Jamestown's right on the James River. So once you cross that, I guess you're over in Surrey then.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Now we're traveling to the restaurant that our pleasure that our friends gonna celebrate 75 birthday party. So we're invited to go and celebrate with our dear friend. We're here now in the country road is in Williamsburg, Virginia. Country road. The color of the leaves here not really changing yet. We have like maybe 45 minutes, yeah, to go. "45 minutes. Long way to go." It's not yet really changing the color of
Well,
this.
The majority of these trees are pine trees. They ain't gonna change color, huh?
It's not pine tree. There's so many different trees.
A lot of them are pine trees. Bus drivers needed. Boy, everybody needs bus drivers.
Yeah, the school bus driver needed. They all the time looking for it.
It's something I want to do.
Yeah, you're gonna be good at that.
I could be good at it, but I ain't gonna put up with them kids. I'll be fired on the first day.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, the leaves are falling.
The leaf is falling now. A little bit.
Look at that truck. Look, it's a pretty little red truck.
This is the old truck.
That looks nice.
This looks nice. It's it
35.
35
Yeah,
speed limit. Maybe it's a work zone someday.
No, they're just all these turns and stuff, cars.
And somebody already got a flower on that tree. Oh. It's a busy road. That's why they put 35 speed limit.
So many cars stopping and going.
I've been this here too.
45 now.
45 now.
See, these are all
Apartment?
No, expensive homes.
Oh,
That's why they got a guard at the gate.
they do?
Yeah, and you see that little house right there in the middle of the street?
Yeah. But sometimes they have that, but it's no guards inside. What's up there? That's for train track?
Good question. I think it's a walkway. Or maybe
Walkway.
just a fence.
Oh,
No, it's a
no.
walkway.
Yeah, that's not.
Bicycle trail. Yeah,
Bicycle.
that's nice right there.
Yeah, that's
That is
nice.
nice.
Look, so many people have a bike.
I like that. Get you off the road.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah. See, I would ride that all the time, man.
So many people riding the bike in here.
Well, I would too if I lived up here.
Yeah, that's good. Oh, we're in the traffic light here now. Going west again. West. Yesterday we went west also.
I told you, didn't I? I told you.
I don't understand why that west is different or way to go. It's also west.
You could go through Smithfield
And
to
that's
get to
going.
Hopewell.
That's going
But it's
west.
a longer way to go from where we live. Look at that house. That's nice.
Yeah, that's a beautiful house
Three
back
car
there.
garage. I'm telling you, there's a lot of nice houses up here.
Rich people live in this area.
Yeah.
Oh wow, look at that back there.
Isn't that nice?
That's a nice house. It's kind of secluded and back there.
Still got a bicycle trail.
Yeah, that's nice. A long way to go. Long way to go.
Dude,
Yeah,
the road, won't it?
it's in the middle of the yellow
You
lane.
got trailer ain't that big.
I think he's afraid to go to the side.
I think he's driving a tractor trailer or something.
That's scary. I see the dudes running in there. Up in the Richmond, 44 miles.
Yeah.
Not really changing these trees because it's not yet cold.
It hasn't had a cold snap yet. It may have up in the mountains by now.
Yeah, I think so. Because last what's
See,
that?
this is
Last
why-
couple of weeks,
This is why Gary and I used to like riding this road because there's not as much traffic.
it's a nice,
It's an easier, better road than the
better
interstate.
road. Yeah. It's nice like this, you know? It's not much cars and not much traffic light. You just drive straight. Not much, you know, to deal with.
Now the bike path's over that side.
Yeah, we're that side now. Wow. I think this is a good area
Look at
to.
these houses. This is a new housing community. Look at that right
That's-
on the water.
wow.
Oh man, is that nice or what?
That's a nice place.
Oh, that's the
What's that?
campground.
That's
See?
the campground
That's
over
the
there.
campground they went because they had a pool,
Chickahominy.
and this is the river. If you see, they
We went fishing.
there's people fishing down there. You can't see them, but look at the bank down there. There might be
Yeah.
somebody down there.
You gonna see it. It's got fence.
Yeah, there's people fishing over here. I'd love to live up here, man. It'd be nice.
Yeah, look at the what's the big.
Here, they got a top level and a bottom level. Charles City County.
What's the cross? It's like
It's a
three
church.
cross. There's a church in there. Oh, what happened to his bike?
Somewhere over here, there's an outdoor shooting range. Look at that trail, still going.
Yeah, it's a long one. For the
Yeah.
bicycle ride. Yeah, if you live back here, it's nice every day you take your bike and ride.
Mhm.
I think that's a corn field in there, right? the corn.
Flying airplanes over there. Little tiny little remote control. Marine. Yeah, somewhere over here. I don't know. I just don't remember where it is. An outdoor shooting range. There was a guy on a bicycle and one of those sit-down bikes.
Yeah. Yeah, that's.
I guess that's comfortable.
Yeah, and then you're not falling down. I mean, you're already down, so.
That's why you gotta have that flag so people can see you.
Mm-hmm. Still keep going, the bicycle trail. The problem in our area don't have a walking path, you know? Why they don't put it?
Other than the sportsplex.
No, the side road. It's like in our area, a school everywhere. Middle school, high school, and houses over there, they can put a walking
Yeah, I think they
trail
they should
on
have more sidewalks.
the side of the road, like a sidewalk for the kids to walk to school. Wow, look at that, it's still going. That bicycle trail. Big truck coming. We're in the country road, right?
Kind of.
Look like country road. We're in the country road now. Oh, maybe it's the end of the bicycle trail. Oh, it's not the end. Look at that. It's still there.
A
Yeah,
lot
look
of
at
people
that.
use this trail, don't they?
Yes.
If I lived up here, I'd
Did
ride
you
it.
see so many people
Huh?
bike? Look at people is doing bicycle here. Whoever put this bicycle trail, they have a wonderful idea to do that. Benefits the people around here. Country road, country road. West Virginia. West Virginia country mama. We're going to the West Virginia then?
Not on this road, we're not.
Gonna be a wrong turn.
This looks like out where Bruce lives.
Every day, huh? He's travel like this. So he going hunting also?
No, he lives. His house, his land, the It's right beside a hunt club, but he doesn't hunt.
Why not? You can hunt the wood in there.
He's got turkeys come right up to his front porch.
So we shoot them and eat it.
He could, but he doesn't.
Oh, so that one, if they do, it save them money.
Yeah. Now hiring, breathe in.
Coming soon.
We've got a little bridge for the bike path.
Mm-hmm. That's nice. Nice.
So I like roads like this. There's little things to look at, things to see.
Yes, not only street and cars and lights.
Sometimes you'll see a cool looking car or a truck for sale in the yard.
Right here?
I mean, you never know. Just things to look at sometimes.
They tired, they sit
We got a little rest stop.
Yeah. You can take your water and some snack, You're tired and little hungry, you can sit down the bench and get some rest. What's that? They're sleeping.
Probably.
Okay guys, that's it for now for this country road adventure. I'll see you later again. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.